New Year resolutions for Indian working women. First, prioritize self-care daily. Spend at least 30 to 1 hour a day on yourself. You can do anything like yoga, skincare, reading, or simple quiet time. Then, second, maintain work-life balance. For this, set clear boundaries. No work calls after a certain time unless urgent. Then, third one, invest in skill development. For this resolution, we can do learn one new skill this year. For example, it might be a communication or Excel or English speaking or any leadership or a technical skill. Then fourth one, build a healthy routine. For this, you can sleep on time, hydrate well, and include at least 20 to 30 minutes of movement every day. Then fifth one, declutter your space and mind. Well, organize your home or work desk weekly to reduce stress and feel more in control. Then sixth one, practice financial planning. Here you can start or continue SIPs, tracking monthly spending and maintain an emergency fund. Then seventh, say no without guilt. I think this is very important to set boundaries politely at work and at home. Your time is valuable. Then eighth one, then take mental health breaks. Then take mental health breaks. One me time a day per month. Here, one me time day every month. You can do whatever you want, like either you can go for a spa, movie, or lunch alone, or it can be a hobby time. Then, strengthen relationships. Spend quality time with family and close friends. Keep work stress outside home. Then, last but not the least, follow a learning habit. For this last resolution, we can read at least one book a month or listen to audiobooks or podcast. I hope this will help you, and you can comment me your resolution also. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.